Alright, so you're looking to get into crypto, or maybe just manage your finances differently, and you've landed on Uphold. One of the first things you'll probably wonder is about the payment methods. Specifically, can you use Apple Pay or Google Pay? It's a question we get all the time, because let's face it, we're all about that tap-and-go life now. The short answer is yes. Uphold does support both Apple Pay and Google Pay. This is a big deal because it makes the process of funding your account incredibly fast and secure. Instead of manually typing in all your card details every time, you can use the payment information already saved on your phone. So, how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. When you're in the Uphold app and you want to add funds or buy an asset, you'll go to the Transact screen. When you select your funding source, you'll see the option to use Apple Pay or Google Pay, right alongside your linked debit cards or bank accounts. Just choose your preferred payment method, confirm the transaction, and you're good to go. Now, it's important to remember a couple of things. The service works with Visa and MasterCard debit and credit cards that are linked to your Apple Pay or Google Pay account. You also need to be in a country where Uphold supports these payment methods for deposits. The good news is that this includes a wide range of regions, but it's always a good idea to check Uphold's official support page for the latest list. This integration isn't just about convenience. It also adds an extra layer of security, since your card details aren't shared with the merchant. Apple and Google's payment systems use a unique, encrypted token for each transaction, which means your sensitive information is kept private. It's a secure, fast, and modern way to fund your crypto journey. So, if you're an Apple Pay or Google Pay user, you can feel confident that Uphold has you covered.